Will replacing my AT&T modem with my own modem affect my internet speed or service?
Hello there. Today, we're going to tackle an important question. Will replacing my AT&T modem with my own modem affect my internet speed or service? It's a common query many of us have as we look for ways to cut costs or optimize our home networks. So let's dive right into it.
Can I use my own modem?
Before we discuss the effects on speed and service, it's crucial to clarify. Yes, you can use your own modem for AT&T internet service. However, it's important to make sure that your chosen modem is compatible with the AT&T network. AT&T provides a list of approved modems that you can refer to before making a purchase.
Will it affect my internet speed?
The next logical question: will using my own modem affect my internet speed? The answer largely depends on the quality and specifications of the modem you choose. If you select a modem that matches or exceeds the specifications of your AT&T modem, it's likely that your internet speed will remain the same, or possibly even improve. On the other hand, if you choose a modem that has lower specs than your current one, there's a chance your internet speed could decrease.
Will it affect my internet service?
As for the question, will using my own modem affect my internet service? This largely depends on the compatibility of the modem with AT&T's network. If your modem is not compatible, you may experience connection issues or inconsistent service. Additionally, remember that if you use your own modem, AT&T's technical support may not be able to assist with some issues as they would with an AT&T provided modem. That means you'll need to be more self-reliant for troubleshooting and resolving issues. In conclusion, while replacing your AT&T modem with your own device may seem like a big step, it could potentially save you money or even boost your internet performance. However, it's essential to choose a compatible modem and be prepared to handle some of the technical troubleshooting yourself. We hope this video has shed some light on the impacts of switching your AT&T modem. Remember to make an informed decision based on your comfort level with handling potential tech issues and the performance you expect from your internet service. Until next time, stay connected and stay informed.